2012 CT200H. The Lexus CT200 Hybrid pairs exceptional fuel efficiency and superior handling ability with aggressive styling to create a luxury hybrid vehicle that looks great and handles even better. Going green never felt and looked so good. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bluetooth, cruise control, AM/FM stereo with CD player, power door locks, fog lamps, 10-way power driver seat, airbags, dual zone climate control, intermittent wipers, tilt steering wheel, smart stop technology, 4-piece floor mat set. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.